YOLO Reviews here, and today we're unboxing the Canon 50V, which I've got right here. I needed a new 4K camera. My current camera is a DSLR camera, and it's not 4K, and I was watching some videos, and when it's not in 4K, I'll tell you what, on the larger screens, it doesn't look great. So I needed to upgrade, and after doing a lot of research, this is what I chose. I've got Canon products for my other stuff. This came as part of a package, so let's see. It's got a SanDisk Pro card, and it's got V30, which is important for video. That's the speed. It looks like it came with some kind of a cam. Let's see, came with a little bag, little camera bag, okay? This one here, so that'll work. And then let's get our Canon camera out. Take a look at this thing. Let's see, what does it say? EOS R50V. This one, I did get it with the wide-angle lens kit. I have some other wide-angle lenses. I wasn't sure if they would fit on here, so I just got it with this lens, and then I needed to use it right away, so figured it was worth that. Let's see, what do we have here? We've probably got some kind of a charger, guessing situation. So yeah, there's our charger. We've got instruction manual here. Looks like a battery, so you got your instructions. Then a nice battery here. So there we go, there's our battery. And then camera connect, there's some kind of thing there. Let's look at the camera itself and see what we've got here. There's your lens, and we have got a little strap and our camera here. That's everything in the box. And just check to make sure there's nothing else in this case, and then we'll get to the camera here. So the case has a little strap in it. So that's what's in there. Here is our camera. Take a look at that. And you can just get the camera on its own. It's a lot smaller than typical Canon cameras. The old one I had, 80D, or the one that I'm actually filming with right now, has a much bigger body. But apparently this gets really good you know, just overall people have liked this camera, and I did a fair amount of research. And then this does have a lens right here, and then that should go on there like so. So that is the lens, and then it's just going to go right into the camera. So you open that up and throw your lens in there, which we will do because we're going to use this thing pretty much right afterwards. So see if we line it up. Usually there's some kind of a thing. Yeah, so it says red to red. There's a little red on the camera body, red on the lens. And I'm not sure if my existing Canon lenses will work right out of the box, but it did say there was an adapter. And then now that is my lens, and you've got there we go. It's 14 to 30. I think my existing one is like 18 to 24 or 16 to 24. So this is even more wide angle than that at the low end. And yeah, that's a camera. Big thing for me, I need a big screen to be able to see what I'm doing sometimes, and I need it to be able to rotate, right? So this one does that, so that if I'm recording like so, I can see how the picture is framed before I use it. So overall, looking forward to using this. We will do a review on it once we get everything set up. But this is the Canon EOS R50V, and I got the package with memory card, the lens, and charger, and it came with a little bag. So that is what we got, and we will see you next time.